Hello, Nigel here with you, Nigel's Modelling Bench. Welcome aboard. And here we are now with another kit review on a bit of a dirty cutting mat. Monday, Tuesday night, I was on live streams with Moss6510. If you haven't seen his channel, go take a look. And if you want to come in on a Monday night, have a look. Airfix and Chill, I'm generally on there for at least half an hour anyway. So, here we go. We were on our live stream on Monday night, and afterwards we were just having a chat and going through, and we were looking through Tiger Hobbies website. Tiger Hobbies are a UK distributor and importer of various lovely kits, and this one caught Moss's eye. Now, he doesn't know that, but I've got this for him. So if you want to see this being built, I would imagine he will video build it, and you'll see it over on his channel. This was available on Tiger Hobbies, so I bought it for him. But I thought I'd do a quick review just to show you how absolutely gorgeous it is. Now, 72nd scale military stuff is not my thing, but it is with Moss. He loves it. So you want to see a build, go and we'll see his channel, but you'll see a review of it here now. So this is the Vespid Models Jagdpanther SDKFC 173G1 late production. And believe me, this kit is absolutely gorgeous. It has metal barrel, it has 3D printed parts, it has PE parts, and yes, it's 72nd scale. So looking around the box there, we can see a couple of different schemes, and we can see on the side here, we've got some cable or chain or wire, whatever that is, decals, PE parts, 3D printed parts, and a turn metal barrel. So there we are. Right, let's have a look what's in the box. And this, by the way, is available from Tiger Hobbies for only $14.99. What other kit can you get with all that in it for $14.99? So, quick look through the instructions. So, we have our usual sort of sprue call out. We have colour call outs for Mr. Hobby. Hobby colour, that's basically Mr. Hobby, but it's just these are the solvent base, these are the aqueous. And then we've got Humbrol and Tamiya. So, nice range of, nice choice of colours there. We've got our decal sheet, PE, and all our plastic and steel tow cable ×2 and a metal barrel. So we have suspension parts going into the hull, and then multitudes of wheels, as we know, because it's a Panther. So they have all those wheels and lovely tyres to paint and everything. And then coming over the page here, we have Lincoln length tracks, which is nice and easy to put together. Then we're starting on the upper hull by fitting in the breech and everything, telling us to drill some holes. We're going to put the metal barrel, so we've got the choice of a metal barrel or a plastic barrel. So you've got the metal barrel with the 3D printed muzzle, or you can just use a one-piece plastic barrel. It's up to you. I know which one I'd go for. And then we're going to fit the upper hole to the lower hole, fit on the back plate. Got some drilling to do there for exhaust by the look of things. 72nd scale, and we've got photo etch engine grills, engine cover grills. We've got photo etch mountings for these side covers here. These are for the fender mounts. And then we've got towing eyes, spare track links, more grills, and then on the other side we've got the fender mounts there. So that's how you fold that. Moss is going to love this. He loves photo etch. It's his favourite. I wonder if they give you an option to not use it. I bet they don't. And then here we've got a hatch going on. This is the entrance hatch at the back there. And then we've got some exhaust going on the back. We have some covers going over here, and then I'm guessing you can do this one or this one. You've got two different options here. So there we are there, and then finally we've got the upper deck going on with the hatches and everything. You've got photo etch. Not sure what the exclamation mark means. Exclamation is be careful. So yeah, be careful. And it looks like this is optional as well. So you've got two different options for the upper deck as well. And it's nice that they're telling you here paint option 1, paint option 2. So if you're going for that one, you need to do that one, and if you're going for that one, you need to do that one. So that's nice. So this one is from February 45, and this one is Check Match 1945. March, should be March 45, I expect. So there we are. So there's the instructions. Quick look at the plastic. So we've got a bag of parts here. They are resealable bags, are they? Or are they? Yes, they are. So that means I can have a look at it and then send it to Moss as new, which will make him happy. So we've got very nice moulding, actually. The crispness on there, and the sort of steel plate texture even. It's really nice. Really nice. There's our big breech there. We've got the one-piece barrel there, which is nice. Slide moulded, so you've got the end. And then we've got the optional upper cover there. So can't see the difference, to be honest, but it looks like it's exactly the same part. They're just giving you two of them. You can even see it's got number 2 where it's been cut off the sprue. I don't know why they're giving you 2. Very strange. Oh, this one has a is that a mismold on there? Maybe that's why they're giving you that one. It looks like it's got a short shot just here. If you look at that little area there, and then you look at this one, it has this is a bigger leg on that one. So I'm wondering if that's a short shot and that's why they're giving it to you. So there we go. Very nice of them if it is. And then here we've got our bits and greeblies and hatches and stuff. And nice to see you've got the rope ends there. Are slide molded so you can slip the rope in. Very nice indeed. Very nice. Beautifully done. Here we have a bag of tracks. Let's see what these are like. Do they have ejector pin marks all over them or not? Let's see. Let's see what they're like. So we have Lincoln length tracks. You can see we have the bow in them as well, which is nice. There are no ejector pin marks on the track links whatsoever. As you can see, they are really, really nice. Very nice indeed. We've got in the separate bag here, we've got the hull and the lower and the upper hull. So as you can see, it's a tiny little thing, but as I say, Moss does like his 72nd scale tanks, although the photo etch on this is going to drive him absolutely crazy. We can see on there the upper hull, and the detail on that rear deck is stunning. Absolutely beautiful. We've got all the lower detail as well on the hull, and all the detail in the sides there for all the suspension mounts. Beautiful. Another bag of sprues, they keep coming, don't they? $14.99 guys for this. I mean, you can't even get 2 pints of beer for that in London. If you get nice beer, you can't get 2 pints of beer for that in Gloucester. It's very nice. Look at those wheels. I'm going to have to get one of these Vespid kits. I'll get one of the more modern ones, I think. This is beautiful. I mean, those little suspension arms are exquisite. The detail on those. And the sprocket, look at the bolt detail on the sprockets. Hinge detail on those hatches is absolutely lovely. And those wheels are just stunning. $14.99, I can't believe it. Final bag of sprues, or a sprue. Here we go. Where's it? How are we going to open this one? Come on, where's the end? Putting it the wrong way, dullard. Right, some very small, fragile parts on the end of that sprue, so I have to be very careful. And there we are. Tiny little, is that a gun lock? Tiny little parts there. There's your rear plate. There's those boxes there. I think they're air filters, aren't they? I'm not sure. Then we've got gearbox covers here. There's an engine cover vent or something there. We've got some little greeblies, exhaust parts. Side covers if you want to use them. And then we've got our tools here. There's an axe. Very, very nice. Machine gun port there. You can see like the detail on this exhaust is also very, very crisp and sharp. It's absolutely gorgeous. Really, really nice. And then finally, we have here a little bag. And in here we have A lovely little decal sheet. I'm not going to make too much fuss about that because of YouTube's latest thing. We've got some wire rope there, which is quite springy, so you have fun getting that sorted. Maybe you can anneal it, and it'll be a bit nicer. There's 2 of those in there, so it's actual real wire for your rope. We've got a gun barrel there, which is turned aluminium, and a 3D printed muzzle brake, which is absolutely wonderful. And here we have our photo etch, and there's those lovely engine grills there. And we've got some hatches by the look of things. We've got these little brackets here to be folded up. And I know that Moss is going to not put those on. So there we go. Absolutely gorgeous. Really, really nice. The decals look... They look nice. They don't have any... they're not particularly shiny and they're not particularly matte. They don't look particularly thick. They do look quite nice. So there we go. So there we are, girls and boys. Vespid models, my first, not last. What a gorgeous little kit. Kit number is VS720010. But what a beautiful, beautiful little model. Really, really nice. Get on over to Tiger Hobbies and get yourself one. See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.